Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your REALME C63 is in the lost database on the IMEI.info page. Okay, so in this bar first we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you step by step how to do it. And in that video I'm showing how to find it on your REALME. So if you want, you can find it now. Once you have typed your IMEI number, simply click on this blue button, check IMEI. Now we have our REALME C63. We need to scroll down. In here we have some basic information about our device, but we need to scroll down a little bit more until we find the basic checks. And in here we need to click on lost device check. In here our IMEI number has been copied automatically, but below we can also enter the second IMEI number and also the serial number if you want. Because thanks to that, it should be more precise. Now click on check lost/stolen status, but of course the only the one IMEI also works. Click on this blue button, and now we have our result that this device is reported in IMEI.info lost/stolen database. We can see some information about it also. And we have the incident date, the country, the city where it happened, the description, also the price if someone will find it. We have also the contact name and the email, the phone number, is it verified, and below the date on which the verification date, is it reported, and the date on which that report was created at. Below we can also check is it on a blacklist, and we can also order the blacklist premium check. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.